friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make bhindi and aloo ki sabji. This is bhindi, half kilo I have taken, cut up, and this is about 4 potatoes cut up. So come on, while making the recipe, I will show you the ingredients. First of all, I will fry the bhindis. I will put little bit oil. I've put. Now I will fry the bhindis. I've taken some pach phuran. I'll put it in it. Now I will take out the bhindis. I fry the bhindis because it will not break in the curry. Again put some more oil, mustard oil. I have sliced one big onion, so I will put this in. I've made paste out of ginger, garlic and onion. This I will put in. I've taken some jeera made paste. This also I will put in. I have ground the jeera and made into a paste. Put some turmeric. Put some chili powder. Masalas are almost turned brown. Now put in the cut potatoes. Fry the potatoes with the masala. Put in the fried bhindis. Mix it well. Put some salt to taste. Put some water. Put chopped tomatoes. Put some coriander leaves. Cover it up and let it cook for a while. You can see the bhendis did not break because I have fried the bhendis. Bhendi and potato curry is ready. Thank you for watching my video.